Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of brand style grids. Join me as we explore the importance of maintaining a consistent brand identity and dive into the key elements of creating an effective style grids. To start with the website, simply head on over to Brand Style Grids and choose the official sites. That means this one here, BrandingStylesGuides. Click on the link and you will go directly to the homepage or the interface of the website where you can find all the information, the services, the key features, and also where you can sign up or sign in. So this website, the brand style grids, also known as brand guidelines or brand manual, are essential documents that provide details, instructions, and specification for maintaining a consistent and cohesive brand identity. They serve as a reference tool for designers, marketers, and other stakeholders involved in creating branded materials. And so the first thing, to create an account on this website, simply head on over to sign in. And of course, if you have already an account, you will just write your username or email address and then password, and then you will log in. And if this is the first time for you, that means you have no account on the site. Excuse me, you need just to register now. No account yet. Okay, let's register. So this is all the information that they need from us to answer on. So the first thing is the username, the user email, okay, the user password. We need to choose a password and then confirm it here. That means rewrite it. So this one should be strong to become a valid password. Let's confirm it here. And submit. So the user is registered. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your email. If you don't receive the link, please check in your spam box before to write us. Okay, let's check our inbox to see if they sent any email to us. So that's it here. And this is the click that we need to click on it to verify or confirm the registrant. So the next step that we will need to log in with the same username and same password that we choose before. So this is the account here, and the parameter about the account, the dashboard, that I mean this one, the profile detail, like I mean the photo, the name, and the other things. And if you want to change the password or to log out. Now let's go to the archives to talk a little about the different services and the key features that they provide to us or they present to us. Now this is the archives or of the website, and if you want to search anything specific, you have this search bar here to write what you want or to filter by the name, the color, or anything else. The languages, the years of the publication, if you want to filter by the year of the publication or the size, the countries, the tags, or anything else. And yes, this website is like all this kind of the website is present to us the user guidelines Yeah, this is the most important thing in this kind from the websites. The rules and the restrictions regarding the brand's usage in terms of unitarized modifications, minimum sizes, placements on different backgrounds, and proper spacing with other elements. Yeah, this is like you see here. Like example, let's choose someone. This Kojic, a brand of books. This is the time of the publication. It's the 2020, and it's contain 246 pages. Let's try with this one here. So like you see here, you will find in this side all the information about this wine. If you want to download this, it will take from you 37.8 maybe, yeah, 8 megabytes. And if you want to share it on Facebook, Twitter, on LinkedIn, and also the language, the publication dates, country, Indonesia, tag its features or the financial, and also the amount of the pages, like we said before, 246. And if you like example read it and like it or dislike it, you can just leave a comments here, and they will of course say it, and maybe they're gonna answer to you. And yeah, for the brand the application, the examples and instruction on how the brand should be applied across various touch points, including stationery, packaging, signage, digital interfaces, and marketing collateral. Yeah, and for the layout and the design, like you see here, the recommendation for layout guides, templates, and design elements to maintain visual consistency in print and digital material, such as brokers, websites, social media posts, and advertisements. Excuse me. And also we have this small key features here, the car studio, or also we can call it the tone of voice, the guidance on the brand's writing style, tone, and voice, including preferred language, grammar rules, and examples to ensure consistent messaging across all communication channels. You can just click to try it, and very very interesting service that they provide to us. We can just try it from here or from this one here, like we see before. So this is the last of our video, and I hope you get understand it. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this one. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and the next website. I hope you're still in good health, and until that time.